Hi, this is Army Ant Quadruple 7, that's 4 sevens. I just wanted to do an intro about myself and I guess my channel. Well, I live in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, and switch back and forth between St. Albert, where my mom and dad live. Yeah, I'm hoping to go into the army in 2014, the Canadian Army. And yeah, I do have a sort of, both my grandpas fought in World War II, one on the German side, one on the Canadian side, and I have a great uncle who fought in World War I. Yeah, and yeah, as far as my channel goes, I'm hoping to, well, I'm hoping to basically walk you through the process, how it is for me about joining the Canadian Army and hopefully beyond. And yeah, but for now until 2014, I'll just like make up videos about like, I'm not really sure what right now. My first video is gonna be about, my second video is gonna be about, well, I went to the recruitment center this summer and I asked like 13 questions. They were sort of amazed. Yeah. So yeah, that's gonna be my second video. So yeah, I hope you like my channel. And yeah, what it's about. Okay, bye.